Assalamu alaikum kids too. It's Ushad and Jua, your English teacher. Kids, when you will check your book pack, you will see this English book called Oxford Progressive English in it. Now we will read it in our upcoming video lectures. Let's start. This is unit number 1, name at home. And this is lesson number 1 of unit number 1, and in exercise A, read the story. Exercise A is read the story. So we will read the story, and first of all you will see picture number 1. Hi, I am Tom. There is a boy in the picture whose name is Tom, and he is introducing himself with a girl. Hello, I am Sarah. Hello, I am Sarah. Her name is Sarah. So both of them are introducing themselves with each other. In picture number 2, this is Ali. Now Sarah is introducing her friend to Tom and saying that this is Ali. His name is Ali. Hi Tom. Ali is saying hi Tom. Now in picture number 3, you can see that Sarah is introducing another friend and her name is Fiza. This is Fiza. This is Fiza. This is Fiza. Fiza is saying hello Tom. Fiza is greeting Tom. Hello Tom. Hello Tom. So in picture number 4, Tom is greeting all of them. Hello Sarah. Hi Ali. Hi Fiza. Hello Sarah. Hi Ali. Hi Fiza. Alright. Now check. Exercise B is introduce yourself, then introduce a friend. It's time for homework, and your homework is that read the story, introduce yourself, introduce your friend, make a video and send it to your English teacher. Thank you.